Normally when it's my turn to do the laundry, I put Sean's laundry away too, but we had a lot to do today. So I'm just gonna throw it all in the corner. Hello, welcome to my room. After a very warm Portland summer, fall has finally arrived. Today I think actually while I'm filming is the first official day of fall, which means it's time for me to switch out my seasonal clothes. Now, I have lived most of my life in Florida. I've only been in Portland for about 5 years. So building a winter wardrobe is actually something that took me a little while to figure out. This is actually the first year that I have stored away my off-season clothes. So I thought it would be fun to bring you along with me as I switch out my seasonal clothes. It's also a great excuse for me to purge clothes I don't wear anymore and rethink the systems in my closet that I have for my clothing. First, quickly, I'll show you all the systems I already have in place in my closet. This is my half of the closet. I added a new rack that I got from IKEA to hang all of my nice shirts. On the bottom rack, I hang all my dresses and skirts, and my unicorn onesie, of course. Hidden underneath is all of my casual clothes folded up. Bin for undergarments, sock drawer, and these bottom two are where my winter clothes used to be stored. Okay, so a problem I've come across this past winter and now this upcoming winter is I have too many scarves because I love to knit and crochet, but I can't really stay with it for anything more complicated than a scarf these days. So I have a ton of crocheted scarves, knitted scarves that I love because I spent time on them, but I don't need this many and they're not really nice enough for me to give away to any of my friends. So I might have to make some hard decisions with the scarves this year. We'll see what happens. So, unfortunately, I was unable to make any decisions about which winter accessories I wanted to keep. And I think that's because I haven't had most of these accessories for long enough to know what I need in the winter. So I just put everything in this bin. It all fits perfectly. I'm just going to assess in the middle of winter or maybe after winter which scarves and hats and gloves I feel like I can get rid of. Okay, moving on. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it inspired you to work on your own closet. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.